You guys are making money then.
This year.
We've been the first quarter. If you did $200,000 in sales, mostly direct, with the margins you have.
We're doing mostly direct.
But you said you had problems in your second year.
Our second year, we had a very big problem. We were doing these rotation molded cubes, and we took them to a design show in Germany. We had a very large plastics company approach us. They are huge. And they basically said, we're going to take your product and we're going to turn it into an injection mold. You're going to buy from us. You can use our distribution network in the US, and we'll give you a royalty for European sales.
And they strung us along for a year and then basically stole all the intellectual property.
last-
They took it
At the
all
last
and
minute.
gave you nothing.
Yes.
We had to walk away from the deal. We had to spend the next year building our own molds, redesigning
Wait a
everything.
minute, you have a patent?
We do.
Why haven't you done cease and desist?
We have.
Did.
And?
Our choices were you pursue this $1 billion European plastics
$2 billion.
company.
Guys, let me